speaking before the camera can be a great help for you, because if you speak before the camera, you will see it's been recorded. So you will try to improve yourself, you will try to correct yourself all the time, and it will make a kind of feeling of being before the audiences. And another thing is that the things, those are being recorded, those will help you to correct yourself. So later on, whenever you will see the video of yours, you will find out the mistakes you have made, you will find out the gestures or postures of yours, which will help you to better yourself, to correct yourself. So my suggestion would be for you who don't have much of your friends, who do not have much opportunity to go before the people or to have some friend to have conversation, please turn on the camera, put the camera before you, and take the lead or start speaking and think the people are listening to you. This will be a great help for you if you want to be a good speaker of English.